In our last video, we explored what happens when the immune system goes wrong, when it loses the ability to distinguish friend from foe and turns its weapons on the body it's meant to protect. But today, we're looking at how we can train that same powerful system to do something incredible. Recognize and destroy a dangerous enemy before it ever gets a chance to attack. This is the story of how vaccines harness the brilliance of your adaptive immunity to create a fire department that's already on the scene before the fire even starts. Let's uncover the science of how vaccines work. What if you could prepare for a battle without ever facing real danger? What if your army could learn to recognize the enemy from a harmless photo rather than in actual combat? This is exactly what vaccines do for your immune system. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring one of medicine's greatest innovations, how vaccines train your body without making you sick. Without vaccines, your immune system learns the hard way, by getting sick. When a new germ invades, it takes days for your body to study the enemy, create specific weapons, antibodies, and build memory cells. Meanwhile, you suffer through the illness. For some diseases, this natural learning can be dangerous or even deadly. Vaccines provide a safe training exercise. They contain either a weakened germ, a dead germ, or just pieces of the germ, enough for your immune system to recognize the enemy, but not enough to cause serious illness. It's like giving your soldiers a photo of the criminal instead of releasing the criminal in their barracks. Different vaccines use different training methods. Live attenuated vaccines use weakened germs that can't cause disease. Inactivated vaccines use dead germs. Subunit vaccines use only specific pieces. mRNA vaccines provide instructions for making a harmless germ protein. All achieve the same goal: safe recognition. Here's what happens after vaccination. Your immune system studies the harmless vaccine material, creates specific antibodies, and most importantly, produces memory cells. These memory cells remember the germ permanently. They're like veterans who can recognize an old enemy instantly. Weeks, months, or even years later, if the real germ attacks, your prepared immune system responds immediately. The memory cells recognize the enemy and launch a rapid, powerful counterattack. Often, the germ is eliminated before you even feel sick. This is called immunity. When enough people are vaccinated, we achieve herd immunity. The disease can't spread easily, which protects those who can't be vaccinated, like newborns or people with weakened immune systems. Your vaccination doesn't just protect you, it helps protect your entire community. Minor side effects like a sore arm or mild fever are normal. They're signs your immune system is actively training. Serious side effects are extremely rare. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing for safety and effectiveness before approval. The risks of vaccine-preventable diseases are far greater than vaccine risks. To recap, vaccines provide safe training materials that teach your immune system to recognize dangerous germs. They create memory cells for lifelong protection without the danger of actual illness. It's preventive medicine at its most elegant. Vaccines are like giving your immune system a wanted poster instead of forcing it to learn by being victimized. If this helped you understand how vaccines work, share this knowledge. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more science-made simple explanations.